Yo, welcome back to another video. Today we got a Honda. Customer wanted to swap out the taillights, so we're going with like a darker look. So you can see right now, there are just the regular stock lights. Still have the plastic over it, but it's like some dark tinted ones. Alright guys, so we're gonna do like a quick time lapse doing all the work, so check it out.
Straight to the brain. Straight to the brain. Straight to the
Alright guys, so now to remove the side light on the left side, so what you got to do is take this little plastic off right here. Okay, and take this little plastic off. Then you're gonna see 2 screws, right? I already took them off, so what you're gonna do is just pull it out towards you. Bam, and that's it guys. Now what you want to do is remove the wires, replace new wires, and it's done. Alright guys, my GoPro died, so now I gotta do the final steps to running the lights. As you guys can see, we already got one of the light already fully installed. Got the back one as well. Nice. So now you guys have to take this little plastic off and push all the wires in there. If not, it's not gonna be flushed. So now it comes with an extra wire, so you want to connect this wire, connect it to this light. So my plan is to run the wire exactly how it goes, you know, do a clean job, but make sure you leave some like leave the wire a little extended, so when they open the trunk it doesn't rip. Okay guys, so now we're gonna install the rest of the light. Take this one off.
straight to the